few topics to discuss: planning, organizing, decision making, motivation, leading and controlling. First, we will talk about how we plan for both long-term and short-term goals. Then, we will discuss how we organize tasks and assign responsibilities. Finally, we will cover how we make discussions and how to improve that process. Before we start, let's go around the table and have everyone introduce themselves. Miss Laila, can you start?
Hi, I'm Laila. I handle hiring, training and managing employees.
Thanks, Laila. Miss Farah, please.
Hi, I'm Farah. I manage the company's finance, budgeting, expense, and cash flow.
Great. Miss Alia, your turn.
Hello everyone, I am Alia. I am in charge of sales, setting targets and analyze performance.
Thanks, Alia. Miss Ardini.
Hi, I'm Ardini. I manage the store, including staff and inventory.
And how about you, Miss Anis?
Hi, I'm Anis and I support the store team and manage the day-to-day operations.
Great, everyone. Now that we have introduced ourselves, let's dive into the meeting. First, we will talk about our planning process. Miss Laila, could you start with HR planning?
Sure. In HR, we focus on policies like employee privacy rules and dress codes. We also have procedures like how to handle new hires or staff training.
Thanks, Laila. Let's keep going with the other departments. Let's begin. Alright, now let's talk about types of planning. We have two main categories, standing planning and single-use plans. First, let's look at standing plans. These are plans we use regularly in the company. For example, our policy and data protection policy. This ensures customer information like names and customer details. It keeps safe and only used with their consent.
Yes, this policy is really important for us in HR. We ensure all employee and customer data is secure and only used when necessary.
Exactly, Laila. Next, we have procedure. These are the steps we follow to make sure our products meet customer expectation. For example, before we make any bills, we check their quality and we keep improving based on customer feedback.
Right. We also pass along customer feedback to improve our products. It's important that we always stay in touch with what customers want.
Exactly it, Alia. Now, the last part of our standing plan is rule. Every employee must wear the company uniform and keep themselves neat, like cutting nails and wearing clean clothes.
Yes, the rules help maintain a professional environment, especially in the store where customers notice everything.
Now, let's move on to single-use plan. These are for one-time project or events. We are planning to release a new product soon.
That's exciting. We will need to create a budget for this to make sure the production costs are covered.
Exactly, Farah. Before we create a new product, we also need a project plan. We will study the materials needed for the new product based on what our customer wants.
And that helps us know what product to expect and plan how we will sell them in the store.
Great point, Anis. Lastly, we will need to figure out the budget for the new product. We will calculate how much money we need to production, marketing, and everything else involved in launching the new product.
We will also make sure we stay within budget while ensuring the product is profitable for the company.
Exactly, everyone. These are the plans we will use to guide us as we move forward. Alright, now let's talk about organizing. Organizing is about figuring out what needs to be done, who will do it, and how we will make sure everything is coordinated. In our company, we use something called a financial structure. This means we have different departments for different tasks, and each department is led by a manager who is an expert in that area. Let me give you a quick overview. HR department managed by Miss Laila. She takes care of hiring, training, and making sure our employees are doing well. Next is finance department managed by Miss Farah. She handles our company finances like budgeting and manage cash flow. And next is sales department managed by Miss Alia. She sets sales goals and develops strategy to help us sell more products. Next is store department managed by Miss Ardini. She runs the daily store operation like managing inventory, staff and sales. Okay. And of course, we have Miss Anis, our supervisor, who helps manage the store and works closely with the staff.
The great thing about our structure is that each department can focus on its own tasks, making things more efficient.
Exactly, Ardini, but there is also a challenge. Since each department focuses on its own task, sometimes people forget about the biggest picture. For example, the operation department might be so focused on their works that they miss what is going wrong in other areas.
That's true. We need to make sure that everyone, while focusing on their departments, also understands the company's overall goals.
Exactly, Laila. It is important that we work together to make sure the company as a whole is moving in the right direction.
I agree. Regular communication between departments will help everyone stay aligned and aware of the company goals.
Absolutely, Alia. Communication and cooperation are key. We will continue to work on improving that. Next, let's talk about leading. Leading means motivating employees and guiding their action to reach the company goals. It is not just about giving order. It is about inspiring and encouraging everyone to do their best.
That's right. A good leader helps employees feel motivated and confident to perform well.
Correct. To lead well, manager needs several skills like leadership, decision making, communication, motivation, and teamwork. Let's go over them. Firstly, leadership. A leader's job is to influence others to achieve a company goals. Leaders guide their teams by setting example and training them to become better workers. At Tulip Scarf, we offer promotion opportunity and training program to help employees grow.
When employees see that they can improve and grow in the company, they are more motivated to work hard and stay loyal to the company.
Exactly, Laila. Now the second important skill is decision making. Managers often have to make decisions that impact the company. Some decisions are for the short term and some are for the long term. For example, Tulitska decided to start an e-commerce business. This was risky, but it worked out, especially during the MCO, when people could not go out. Our online store allowed customers to shop and collect items, help us continue business as well.
Taking that risk was a great decision. It helped us to operation and even increase revenue during a tough time.
As Farah, brave and smart decision making is crucial. Let's talk about communication now. Good leaders must communicate well with their team. They need to explain the mission, vision, and goal of their company clearly. Good communication helps employees understand what they need to do and why.
Clear communication makes it easier for us to follow instruction and perform our tasks well. It creates a more positive environment.
Okay, Anis, now let's discuss motivation. A leader's job is also to motivate the team, motivate employees work hard and are more focused on their goals. At Tulip Scarf, we offer promotion and career growth opportunity to motivate our employees.
When employees know they have a chance to grow, they put more effort to achieve their target.
Right, motivating employees is the key to achieve success. Lastly, let's talk about team. Managers need to think of themselves as a part of the team, not just a leader. They must make sure everyone works together, knowing their roles and contributes to the team's success.
If everyone understands their role and works well together, the team will succeed. It's the manager's job to make sure that happens.
That's great. Good teamwork helps the company move forward. And as a manager, you must support your team to ensure they perform their best.
As a leader, it's important to take care of the team and guide them so that everyone works together smoothly.
That's right. Leading is not just about telling people what to do. It is about motivating, communicating, and working together to achieve the company goal. Now let's talk about controlling. Controlling is about making sure everything goes according to plan. We have 3 types of control at Tulip Scarf: feed-forward control, concurrent control, and feedback control. Let's go over each one. Firstly, feed-forward control is about making sure things are good before we even start the production. This is like a preventive check. We focus on the materials, money, and people we need before we begin. For example, we inspect raw materials before buying them from suppliers to make sure they are of high quality.
Yes, and we only choose suppliers who give us good materials. This helps avoid problems later on.
Exactly. We also make sure materials are exactly sourced, which means we check if suppliers follow good practice. This is part of our quality control right from the start. Concurrence control. This is about checking things while they are happening. During production, we check the item to make sure everything is going as planned.
Right, for example, if we are dyeing the scarf, then we have to make sure the color is alright. If we spot any issues, then we will have to fix them right away.
Yes, our manager do spot check and make sure the scarf meet the correct size and quality. If there is a problem, we take care of it immediately so production doesn't stop. Lastly, we have feedback control. This happens after the production.
Once the scarf are ready, we do a final inspection to make sure everything is perfect before they send out to customer.
We also listen to feedback from customers or employees. If there's any problem or improvement needed, we work to fix it.
Exactly, Farah. If customer do not like something, we find out why and improve our product. We also research trends and customer preference before making new scarf.
By listening to customer, we can make scarf that match what they really want, which help our sales.
That's right, Alia. By using these three types of control, we can make sure everything works well and that will meet the needs of our customer. It is all about keeping things on track and improving where necessary. Alright everyone, we have covered a lot today, from planning, organizing, decision making, motivating, leading and controlling. These are all key to success here at Tulip Scarf. I'm so proud of how we have all worked together to make this company what it is today. As we move into the future, we need to continue focusing on improving our process, listening to our customer, and adapting to the ever-changing market. We have made great strides with our online presence, and I believe we will keep growing and reach more customers with our quality product.
That's right, and we will continue supporting our employees with training and growth opportunities. A motivate and well equipped team is a key to Tulip Scarf's future success.
We'll also continue to push for high sale by adapting to trend, listening to feedback, and making sure our customers are happy. The future is bright, and I am excited to see where we can take this company.
And from financial perspective, we will keep working on ensuring that we are managing costs effectively while investing in areas that help us grow. We have a solid foundation to build on.
Exactly, our focus on quality and efficiency at the store level will keep ensuring the customers get the best experience with every purchase.
And as always, we'll make sure the team stay motivated and deliver their best work. Every little effort of our counts toward our future success.
Thank you everyone. Your dedication and hard work make Tulip Scarf the success it is. I'm confident that we are on the right track and together we will keep moving forward. Let's keep up the great work and continue to grow this business step by step. I appreciate everyone's contribution today and every day. Thanks for your time, your effort and your commitment to the company. Let's look forward to even greater things ahead. We are not just a company, we are a team, we are together and we will the future bright for Tulip Scarf. So let's end this meeting